Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. In one of our earlier episodes, episode number 142, we explained the grinding of a Weldon flat using our Toolroom software and using a 1A one wheel to create the flat, as also to control the wings of the Weldon flat. But with recent updates, update number 123 in our iGrind software, it now enables us to grind Weldon flats using profile wheels and supports multiple profile wheels, and also gives us the option to create multiple flats and control the A offset of those flats. So let's go into our Weldon flat operation page and go into our advanced features, and here is where we can increase the number of flats for our tool and control our distance from end of tool, length and A offset. So this tool here, we have one flat with a distance from end of tool of 50 millimeters with a 0 A offset. If we add a second flat, the distance from end of tool remains the same by default, but the A offset equally spaces out the flats so that we now have a second flat opposite the first flat. If we wanted to create two flats on the same side, we would need to go over to our individual parameters, change our length of our flat, and change our A offset of our flat to create two flats on the same side of the tool. So we can now create and play around with many flats as much as we need, control the distance from end of tool, the length, and the A offset for each tool. So it's made it much easier to do this. And that's available in update number 123 in iGrind. So thanks everyone for watching, and tune in next time for another great Tooltip Tuesday.